Okay, let's see Water Wing. See how he's doing. Come on, Wings. Up there. Thank you. Okay. Water Wing, I'm here. God damn, I think it's closed. Huh. Dang. Yeah, I'm guessing it's closed. I don't think it's open anymore. Alright. Wait, what's that flying up in the sky? Oh, thank God, you're awake. Oh, Colorful? You're here too? Yeah. What in the same hell happened? You're about to see for yourself, man. Just look. Oh God, what am I looking at? No. We're back here? Are you kidding me? Well, I mean, we were in prison here, but this is where you saved our friends when we met them, right? Yeah. But why are we back here? That's because you decided to not join us. We didn't want to. We know that DarkWatcher was going to destroy the world of blood. We know that. And you're going to find out something. Red told me that he's going to be lying to you. Nah, that's not true. Is it, Red? Blood, listen. And all you guys, and the Argent Tavis, it's Blood Talon. Yeah, whatever, Blood Talon. Ugh. Jeez, mouthy dudes. It's true. I saw it with my own eyes. I don't know what happened, but I don't know why. I mean, me and Light discovered DarkWatcher's lab, and he's gonna kill you guys, and it's gonna be like betrayal. I don't know why. I kind of feel like he just wants to be the only one to rule the world. That's what I think. Wait, is it really true? Yeah. Yeah, dude, it's true. Blood. Maybe we don't have to fight. Maybe we don't have to kill them. I feel like these birds just live in peace. Maybe they don't deserve to die. Don't think? What do you think, guys? Come on. You need to think something. He's definitely not wrong. Yeah, I guess hypnotizing birds with my call is really, really hard. It literally feels wrong. I think it feels wrong too. Of course, it does. It is wrong, isn't it? Blood, come on. Just let him out. Maybe they're right. What if DarkWatcher is going to betray us? I can't believe DarkWatcher's doing this. Well, I guess I'll help you. I guess I'll help you defeat DarkWatcher. But if it's true that he's gonna betray us, then we'll help you. But if it isn't, we'll put you back in. Oh, good. I wouldn't want to suffer in a place full of oxygen. What about the other birds? Did they actually go? Yeah, but they escaped. Apparently, potion and Predator's mouth or stomach ran out, so he couldn't get them anymore. Yeah, duh. I couldn't save it for food. You know better, Predator. Yeah, whatever. But hey, let's get you guys out of there. Guys, sorry for interrupting, but don't you feel an earthquake? Very funny, Blood Talon. No, like, seriously. Oh my God, Where are we listening to, you crazy vulture evolution? Look, I'm just saying, I kind of like hear an explosion. Oh no, the volcano's gonna explode, isn't it? Yep. That's not good. Guys, over here! Come on, let's go! You heard fire, let's go! Come on, guys. Ow, 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 ow! Be careful with the lava, not like if any of you guys are flying creatures. Yeah, whatever. Oh no, look at that volcano. Ugh. But fire, I thought you liked chaos. Yeah, I like chaos, but not when it's like heading for me. Everyone go. Go. Blood, what about you? Aren't you gonna go? I don't know, Red. Just go. Go without me. Blood, come on. Get up. I'm sorry, Blood. Don't be sorry. At least you made one good heck of a battler. Now, I would say go avenge your parents. How did you find out about that? Like, told me that pretty much. I will, Blood. I will do this for you. Even though you were evil, but you started trusting us now. I'll never let anyone die. At least you made one good sacrifice for us. Now go, before you get exploded by a big rock. Alright, bye. Red, are you okay? Yeah. Where's Blood? Is she okay? No, she didn't make it. An asteroid hit her, and I tried to get her up, but she couldn't. Like, she made one sacrifice, for sure. But listen, every bird that tried to kill us and kidnap us before, we are going to end DarkWatcher, okay? He's been lying to you all along. He's gonna kill you. So how about I say, we end him once and for all. Oh, hell yeah. Are you guys ready to cause some chaos onto that lying base of Blackbird? Oh yeah, I am. After what he's doing, I'm pretty sure he's gonna regret it. And Red, maybe, or WaterDasher? Yeah, WaterDasher knows mystical is very well. Yeah, I'm pretty sure he does. And WaterDasher, can you tell Mystical I said sorry for stealing her recipe book? Yeah, sure. I'm pretty sure she'll probably send you a note. Not like you guys did have paper at the volcano. Not exactly. Well, looks like the battle is about to begin. The final battle. Extinct birds versus a bird that lives today. Or something. After years and years of trying to bring it back, I decided to, turn into you. And how am I gonna do that? Using your claw. And those birds finding out my freaking secrets. You are gonna die from me and turn into the thing I always wanted to turn into.